Hi, I'm Lauren, your Catalyst social media specialist, here with a few tips on recording a video for us. You've been getting those emails every month with suggestions on topics and ideas that would be great for your social media channels. And I know you want to do a video. You may just not know where to get started. So, here are a few tips for you. One, use your phone. I'm using my laptop right now, and you'll see it's a little pixelated. Honestly, the cameras that we have on our cell phones, great quality. It's crisp. It's easy to record in a vertical version, which is really preferred for us. So don't be afraid to either hold your phone out as a selfie or have someone record for you. Make sure you are giving us a little bit of space at the top, um, so that if we clip and adjust, if we want to add, your name and intro, either somewhere at the top or the bottom, try and get your face near the middle of the screen, but just leave a little bit of room for us. That's helpful. And then you want to be conscious of your background. So for me, I have just my art here. I have a plant. It's nice, it's clean, it's simple. For you as a medical practitioner, you want to be very aware of HIPAA and patient privacy. So please check your surfaces, make sure you don't have any patient sensitive information. Make sure it looks clean. Make sure your lighting is decent. If you wear glasses like I do, maybe be aware of the reflection, not always ideal for filming. So just some of those little tips to keep in mind. Number two, remember we want to keep our video under a minute. So if that means making talking points, which I have, I would recommend jotting down a few notes and actually taping it to the top of your phone. That way, if you need to reference it, I'm actually going to record a video for you following this one, giving just a demonstration of what we're looking for. So if we're asking you for a get to know you video, here are my tips that I'm going to make note of for myself. So, number one, when you start your video, if you can give us a moment just to smile and pause, that's going to be great for my team to be able to clip a nice video of you smiling that we can use as the cover photo. That way, we're not trying to grab a frame of you talking. The most important points we have here an intro, background, a fun fact, and a serious close. So when I record my video for you, I'm going to take my notes, I'm going to have them taped right behind my camera just to give you a few tips. And other than that, just try and be brave. I have started this video and restarted about 3 times, and just know that that's okay. Once you get started, you'll feel comfortable. Keep it easy. Your patients will love to see your faces, and we will love to get great personal content. So let us know how we can help. Thanks.